Hi everyone, Professor Cadney's here. What you don't know is that this is the third time I'm recording this video due to various bloopers that happened in the other times. Unfortunately, there is not like a moment where it records some of the weird bloopers that happen in recording videos, but I just wanted to tell you about that, that in fact, this is not the first time I'm recording this video. But hello everyone. I hope that you had a good last week, as good as possible, and I'm really excited that we're moving to the end of the semester. I had some reminders and announcements. First, for many of you, there are missing signs that are on your assignments when you in fact turn them in. I do not know why this is happening. It's not impacting your overall grade at all. As far as I know. If it is, please let me know. I've reached out to various people and tech support to try to figure out what is happening with that and why it's happening. But for now, if you're at all able to tolerate it, just know that you don't have work missing if you turned it in. And if your grade is there, that's all you need to know. So there's that. And then I also wanted to just explain about what you have to do for your final exams next week. So this week you're going to be doing practice final exams, and then next week you'll be doing the real final exams. So the topic of the practice exam is artificial intelligence, and you will be in O98 writing a 5-paragraph persuasive essay about the topic related to artificial intelligence that you'll see there. So the persuasive essay format is the same format as what you just did, and there are also videos for you to review. So in order to pass the exam, you have to make sure that you do not have a lot of run-ons and fragments or subject-verb errors, and that your essay is in the correct structure and format. You do not have to do a quotation sandwich in the essay, but you do have to just do a standard 5-paragraph persuasive essay. So again, the practice is going to be this week, and you'll, in the 99 segment, you'll see a reading, which you're going to annotate and answer questions about, and then upload. Okay, and then in 98, you're going to be writing an essay, and then there's smaller assignments to get you prepared for all of that as well. Okay, so if you do really well on the 99 practice exam and the 98 essay, I will waive the requirement that you take the exam next week. So I will email you if that is the case. That's not meant to be pressure in any way. It's just so that you're not going to have to do everything twice if you do really well the first time. And if you don't do well, that's absolutely fine, because it's just an opportunity for me to tell you what you need to practice and remember going into the actual final exam. The point values are such on the practices that if you don't do well, it's not going to drastically impact your grade. If you do notice that your grade is lower than you want it to be, please get in touch with me now. So one of the pleasures is that you guys have made so much progress and you've made it to the end of the semester. But one of the drawbacks is that you don't have a lot of extra time to make up work. If you do need extensions or you do want to check in about something, now is the time to do it so that you're able to finish the course. Okay. If you're in a place where you have a lot of assignments to complete and you're not sure whether you can finish or not, please just contact me so we can have a conversation about it. I've also been creating personalized videos for people based on their needs or their questions. So that's something that's available to you as well if you need it. But again, just reach out to me and let me know what it is that you need moving forward. A reminder about the grading: you need an 80 or above in 98 and an 80 or above in 99 in order to pass the course. So please, check your grade and make sure that it's where you want it to be. And the other thing that I will say on a personal note, my grandmother died 2 days ago, so we have the sort of crazy situation of planning and having a funeral during this very strange pandemic time. So I'm actually going to not be online tomorrow. because I'll be doing the Zoom funeral and various other Zoom related things. But I will be back by Tuesday. So if you need something before then, please just contact the English department head about it, and I will leave like that person's email address on right on top. But I don't think that within that just one day anybody will have any academic emergencies. But who knows? If you do, don't hesitate to reach out to Mila. The other thing is that because of this, I'm slightly behind on grading, and I will catch up as soon as possible. But please just hang tight with that. Okay, so I'll be back up and running by Tuesday. I hope that all of you are doing okay and that your families are doing okay during this challenging time. And yeah, I can't wait to help you guys like get to the end, stay strong to the end. Um, know that I believe in all of you, and no matter where you are in this course or in your learning, I feel that all of you have made really awesome progress, and that it's been such a pleasure to work with you. So there still will be another video. There's still a couple weeks left of our work together, but just know that I'm very, very proud of you for all you've done so far. Please reach out if you have any questions.